Are you looking for the best power meter pedals in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best power meter pedals that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Shimano Ultegra Power Carbon Road Pedals. You need to check out for a highly durable pedal that will serve you longer and efficiently. This is a perfect pick that has been made from the best quality of carbon composite material, which means that it will serve you longer. In addition to this, the pedal has a chromoly steel spindle, which increases the lifespan. To add, it is an oversized pedal that will provide better comfort and large contact area, thus prevents slipping off the feet. With the release tension and adjustable entry, you can easily customize the settings to provide a casual in and out system. The large body of the unit brings about efficient power plus aids in distributing pressure better for maximum performances. The pedal also features stainless steel plates that aid in lowering the flex as it provides a smooth surface for the cleats. The pedal also offers a more uniform and stable distribution of load thanks to the wide bearing placement. This will, in turn, deliver a smoother roll and extends the lifespan of the bearings. At number 4, Favero Aseoma Power Meter Pedals. The battery life is a vital consideration you need to check for when making the purchase. This is a pair of meter pedals that you will find excellent for your needs since they come with a high-capacity rechargeable battery that provides up to 50 hours runtime. Second to this, the pedals are available on dual or single packs to choose from. They are built from the highest quality of materials, which bring about extended use and better performances. With the large cleat area, they provide better feet-to-cleat compatibility, which also improves the power transfer. The pedals connect seamlessly to iOS, Android, and bike computers through ANT Plus and Bluetooth system, which allows for easy control. They are elementary and easy to install in minutes. At number 3, PlayBetter Garmin Vector Clipless Power Meter Pedals. PlayBetter Garmin Vector Clipless Power Meter Pedals is a pack of 2 quality pedals that you will find suitable for your bike. The pedals have built-in sensors on the left pedal. This brings about better performance and accuracy of data. Apart from this, the pedals are highly durable since they have been constructed from quality material. With the large surface area, they provide better cleat-to-feet contact that delivers excellent power transfer. More interestingly, they have been designed in a wide range of colors to choose from. Moreover, these pedals have protective cleat covers. This ensures that the road cleats are protected for longer life. The process of installing the pedals is a breeze and takes the least time possible. At number 2, Wearable 4U Favero Cycling Meter Power Pedal. Are you looking for the perfect power meter pedals that will suit your bike? This is a pair that you will find very convenient thanks to the true left power sensor. This will easily measure the power of the left leg. Besides this, the sensor is placed at the point where the feet will stay on so that it delivers a more accurate observation plus improved right and left foot balance. The meter pedals have been equipped with a high-capacity battery that will offer up to 50 hours of runtime. The pedals are elementary to install plus available in varying colors to choose from, making them great picks for all users. Lastly, they have been crafted from the best quality of material for extended use. At number 1, PowerTap P2 Power Meter Pedals. PowerTap P2 Power Meter Pedals is a great unit of power pedals that will easily swap between bikes for better compatibility. They are dual-sided pedals that provide the right power, left power plus an improved pedal metric. Hence the ultimate selections that you need to try out. They are relatively lightweight pedals that have a total of 400 grams, hence ideal for your bike. In addition to this, they will transmit to any ANT Plus or any flexible head unit. That said, they are highly durable units with a silver body to offer a longer life. They also have a lower claw height that offers increased compatibility of the cleat to shoe for a comfy ride and prevents the feet from slipping off. The plug-and-play pedals are easy and quick to install. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.